First time on the tour here. I'm going to be a guide and a coach here this morning. Help these guys get comfortable on the adventure bikes. Then they move over to the off-road bikes. I think a lot of this is going to be just kind of getting the nerves out here for a couple hours before we actually jump on the adventure bikes and actually hit the road.
We got into adventure bikes about 2 years ago now, I guess it was. I've done some off-roading and stuff together, but a great father-son bonding moment. And here with the instruction that we've already received, I know that just in a few hours, I already feel a little more confident in my riding abilities. To have Jeff here, to have someone like that investing into you and teaching what they've learned over all of these years, I mean, that's worth the price to come here in and of itself.
Absolutely.
We've been talking about doing this for years. We just said, you know, if we don't do it now, we're never going to do it.
Bikes are incredible, gear's incredible, food, the staff, I mean, everything's great. All my expectations are met. Being out here with my brother is just phenomenal. And this group of guys that we're riding with, they paired us up great. Everybody's riding at the same skill level.
That's all we can ask for. It's just good time together, good time with some great people. And I'm telling you, this is day one.
I'll tell you too, the camaraderie, the brotherhood, I know that's a cliche saying, but just met these guys this morning and we're already becoming fast friends and sharing stories with each other, and not just our background, but you know, why we're here. And I think that a lot of men, they want that brotherhood, just getting to know each other and bonding. Just super excited for the rest of the trip.
Out where the running wild, better be on the lookout. Boiling point, they gonna burst in a shadow of doubt. Rush to the head, don't wanna tread. Atomic dogs be the hellhounds. Feel the bite for the lust. It ain't ready to push. Bring the fire and the bring the fire and the out for blood.
Go! Head on the water, head on the water, head on the water.
Boys, we're shaking the
I was just so glad to get here and get off the highway that anything would have been great, but it looked like we landed on Mars.
Fight to the end like a scorched earth. Our jurisdiction, that be the friction. You feed the flames, we gonna burst.
Oh my God, this place is fucking amazing. Live is doing something right. This is, I mean, the fact that you can get people from all over the world sitting at the same table, you know, and just enjoying this experience. What else can you ask for?
You're going to go down a few times. Definitely going to have to ride the pegs like we talked about day one. If you can't ride through sand and blow up some rocks, you're sitting down.
Man, getting ready to hit the desert, and I'm excited. The instruction's been great. This is a bucket list adventure.
Yeah, no, the days have been awesome. The group was great. I had the A group with me, and I took them through some gnarly hills, some gnarly climbs, some gnarly whoops and rocks, and yeah, we had a blast.
So what happened was I just glitched for a second. I was dehydrated. I needed to stop. I just needed to get some shade and roll over, take a little quick nap.
Honestly, everything is bloody amazing. I already told a bunch of my friends, I said, you guys get on the phone, do this is fantastic.
If you're looking for a reset, if you're looking to push your envelope, or you're just looking to make your boys jealous, this is where you need to be.
Gentlemen, are we living? Are we? Does that work? Yeah. All right, thank you.
Money.